Hey family, I'm glad you guys are having your family meetings. I am so happy to hear all of the stories with your family meetings. But real quick, make sure you're prepping your children. Look, that is extremely important. Make sure you're prepping your children, especially your teens. Imagine telling them that there's no internet. Imagine telling them that the power's down. How can you explain it to them? They're like, the Wi-Fi is in the air. My Wi-Fi is in the air. It's not part of the internet. I need my Wi-Fi. So just imagine taking that's like taking their cell phone away and they can't get on social media. Yeah, I get me. Just make sure you prepping them children. Just make sure you prepping them children. Explain to them. We talking about from 16 and 17. They kind of know, but just make sure you prepping the children. Ain't nothing worse about sitting down and they mad at you thinking you did something because we didn't prep them. So make sure this is the best time to practice. These next couple of weeks, I don't know, but them prices are sure going high. But I'm just saying, make sure you're prepping the kids. So when we have no water, the lights are out, prices are high, money's tighter than tight. Look, money's tighter than tight. And I'm gonna talk about money too. Money's tight, and you be like, we're gonna eat some beans, we're gonna ration, we're gonna go down to one meal a day. You make sure they have their water, make sure they have their water, but the adults have to skimp. Not the elderly who really needs it, but we're gonna have to do some strong meditation. That's a perfect time to do some meditation as well. But I just want you to make sure you prep them, have games, have things that doesn't require electricity. Back when kids used to play, they used to just throw rocks in the water. I'm tripping. But you know how they used to play jacks? Get some jacks. Get down there, get a whole lot of board games, puzzles, get color pencils, get coloring books. Just do something different. Just have that stuff on tap. If y'all do got the photo album, pull the photo albums out, and that's a way to enjoy, and they get to see their other families. That's just things to do if the power goes out. So I know y'all be like, the power ain't gonna go out, we ain't gonna lose water, but the prices go high enough, like it was in Texas when they was charging those people crazy prices. They're like, I can do without electricity, but maybe an hour they'll put it on to heat the house. But I'm just putting it out there. Just put it out there. It's like we don't really know exactly the whole big picture of what's going on, but you rather be safe. I'd rather be proactive. I'd rather be proactive. And real quick, I just want to make this special announcement. Look, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. But when you get some hot information, you want to pass it. I know you'll be like, I don't want to talk about crypto. We need to talk about crypto. Right now, you already see last November, December this time. But let's see. Yeah. When Ethereum, let's just talk about Ethereum. When Ethereum came out, it was like $500-$600. That's when I noticed about Ethereum. And if you got in back then, you made a whole lot of money because Ethereum is almost reaching 5,000. I know it's going up and down, but just imagine from 6 to 4,000, go almost 5,000. If y'all ain't missing that shift of wealth, that's what's happening now. It's called a bull run. I ain't gonna get into a bull run. Y'all can research it. But them bulls are running. Whatever, you guys. But the prices are going high. So if you have that little bit of extra cash, our hair money, our nail money, our eyelashes going out, our weed money. Come on now. Take that money. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but when you see something that can help and, have money for your kids, because it seemed like retirement. What's a retirement? What's a 401k? It's like whatever. The stock market is like, okay, that's a risk. Same thing with crypto. But if I said, Ethereum went from 600, really five. Some people got in at $100, and right now it's between $4,000 and $5,000. Huh? Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you don't see the big picture, they got us looking down, trying to get our beans in water, and prep our children, and we about to miss a large, and I mean a large, massive wealth trend. I mean, I might be saying the word wrong, but a shift of wealth. Don't slip. Get you some crypto. Not going to tell you which coins to get. Not going to tell you. Please go on YouTube. You hear, my brother Herbis Cream talking about crypto. Y'all better get in there and get in the know. Get in them Discord groups. Get in the know. Get in the know, because the last thing I need you guys to say is, I knew about that crypto. That girl was talking about that crypto, but I was like, man, I need my $50. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I heard the story when he said his daughter, Herbis Cream said his daughter put $15 in and got $150. If y'all don't see that, I'm so sorry. But I just don't want you to miss it. So I just want to make sure I put that tip out there. But, we talking about family meetings. I know, but you need to talk about that too. Everybody needs to have a crypto account. Yes, even the babies, even the children. You may not be able to put it in their name, but you can at least put it in your name. So I just don't want you to miss that. I just don't want you to miss that. These are some hot tips that you can talk about in your meeting. Add in your meeting. Today's Thursday. I want to say happy Veterans Day to all my vets. Salute. Thinking about you. Thank you for your service. So, yeah, today's Veterans Day. But I just want to say, please talk about this in your family meetings. Have more family meetings. Y'all can have some emergency family meetings. Everybody got Duo. You got what's that? WhatsApp. Everybody got little groups. Was it something with a T? Telegram. Y'all go in there and talk to your family and send that information. If you need to have an emergency meeting, have an emergency meeting. Because I'm going to have emergency with my kids. I'm going to, not my children, my adults. My adults. I'm going to have this meeting, and that's just something you talk about. And I just don't want you to miss it. But look, prep your children. Talk to them about crypto. Talk to them. They probably already know because they're friends and they hearing it from their friends and they hearing it from the family. They even have coins for those video games. It is NFT. I could be saying it wrong, but them video games. You know how your kids say, "Mike, get $100. I want to buy a new outfit for my avatar." All right now, don't slip. Those things it's like it's like 0.0003, and then you want those 4 zeros to go over to a penny or a dime. If y'all don't know that shift of wealth, that's least more than 10 to 50, 100 times your money. I might be saying it wrong, but y'all know how to do them crypto numbers. I just want to make sure that, look, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not. I just want you not to miss that, not to make sure you invest, because prices are going high. The middle class is like, it's going to be the haves and haves nots. Like I said it before, I know I'm repeating myself. And I know you probably heard this on my podcast. I know you probably had this on my podcast. But look, I know we so much prepping the children, prep the children. Prep the 15 and below, down to 3. They understand. Them 2 and 3-year-olds understand. They're used to, no internet. They running around. They just worry about the TV be on. But imagine when that box can't come on. Just say, imagine when the box came on. No cable, no internet, no electricity if it happens. You just want to make sure they prepped. And again, I want to make a side note on water. Remember, your water, when you buy this water, the water is to wash, to bathe, to drink, and to what? Cook your food. All right, so make sure, and if you have an emergency, y'all gonna be cleaning wounds, so make sure you have some alcohol. Make sure you have some hot alcohol. I'm gonna look at my notes and make sure I prep. Look, these are the perfect time to teach your children meditation or yoga. I know you like Viola, please. Teach a meditation on water, a meditation and yoga. What else? I think that's about it. And also, yeah, during that family meeting, find out who's scared of blood. I'm just saying, not saying you want to get them, but at least because, when we women be having babies and, our significant others there, and then they pass out, and then, whoo! Yeah, because some people are scared of blood, and this is a good time to prep and know that so they can handle that business. I know you're like, dang, you doing too much with these family meetings, but at least you know, and just different ideas, just different ideas are coming to you. Brainstorm in these family meetings, brainstorm, and make sure that you know you have everything. And also learn some safe words. Learn some safe words so when things happen, I know I probably said it before, but learn some safe words. Yeah, that's prepping your children. Prep your children. Just saying, prep them babies, prep them babies. But all right, Herbals Viola, just doing a quick video, so y'all know just some extra things to put in your family meeting. But look, don't slip on that crypto. Please don't. Do not. Do not. Because by December, January, when things go down, you be like, dang, I could have made at least $1,000, at least an extra $100. Put $5. Put $5 in there. $5. 5, 10, 15. If you could put 1,000, put 1,000. But look, use money that was your bottom line. You got like an extra cushion, $400. You use that. Don't use the rent money. Don't use your mortgage. Don't use the light bill. Don't use the daycare. Don't use your daycare. But you can probably use a daycare, you know. Get one of your trusted friends, family, well, really grandma or whoever that can help you for that week and save on that money. I'm just saying, you know, little side things. But all right, family, I just want to do that quick video so you won't miss things. But all right, bye, family.